Hello guys, this is my another video about the flower, and this is the beautiful viola, Pansy. Pansy yung pangalan niya, and this is tricolor. And this one, another kind of Pansy, viola yung pangalan niya, pero Pansy yung ano niya talaga. Marami siyang marami siyang different. So ito pa yung iba na color. Kita nyo. Iba't ibang color nyo, day. Maganda talaga sa guys. Believe me. See, I like them. Pansy. Isa sa mga large variety ng garden flower. Sabi ni friend ko na Google. See? And this one also. Ang gaganda nila. Grabe. See? And all purple. May isa dito eh. Nasaan? Nauubos na yung flower niya. Ang ganda niya. See, cute siya. Okay. This is Pansy. A large variety of the garden flowers. Pangalan niya Viola. May isa pa sang pangalan, scientific name. Ito naman, all yellow. See? Meron din, see, tingnan mo siya, okay. Parang siyang butterfly na A1. Ito sa purple. You see how beautiful. Pansy. And this one, what color is this? Oh, how beautiful. See? Purple with yellow and white. How cute. This one, isang family lang sa guys ng viola. Pero may maliit, may dark, may purple na light. And you see this one. This one. Ito, kuna natin ang base. Ito siya, maliit. Pero isang family lang sila. This is Pansy. And cute siya. At ito, ang laki niya guys. Paano ko ba sila ipagtabi? Okay, see? See. Ang ganda niya talaga. I love him. Pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Hindi ko gusto yung purple. Kaso lang, syempre may halo siya. Kaya, I like her. See? And this one, all white with the yellow in the middle. How cute, di ba? Okay, this is Pansy. Or viola. Oh. Okay guys. Hanap ako ulit ng another video. Hanap ako ulit ng another flower na i-video ko. At sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong pangalan. Okay, thank you for watching.